Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I was a little bit hesitant to make this video, only for the reason that I'm giving a lot of free shoutouts to people, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to make a video good, and I'm gonna be showing y'all kind of my connects in different places on Instagram and different apps where I actually buy bulk sneakers, the exact people I've done business with. You know, some people I haven't done business with, but like some other plugs and stuff, but I'm sure some of these people are fairly known, so some of it is not like too crazy, but you know, some of this information I'm like, you know, I'm giving up the secrets here, so you know, it's nothing really crazy, but it's like, hey, it's where I buy my stuff, so I'll kind of show you all here, and you know, kind of ever to it. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Again, you want more content like this, I'd appreciate if you guys would subscribe below and also drop a like again. Since this video is one that's a little bit harder to make, you know, took some time to organize and all that properly, then I'd appreciate if you guys would also go ahead and, you know, drop that like goal. Let's try and make like 250 likes if we could hit that. That'd be dope, but it's not the end of the world if we don't, and I know this intro is getting too long, so check my Discord if you want to down below, and let's get into it. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am here with the screen recording, so if you want to go check my Instagrams down below, I thought I might as well shout them out here since A, I usually do it, and B, we're mentioning a lot of different pages on this video, kind of showing you all most of my bulk connections that I use. Actually, if not all of them, actually, these are the direct people I use, like who I buy from. Like if I've ever done a bulk deal, this is who I go to. So I mean, yeah, I'm pretty much showing y'all where I get my stuff. So I mean, if y'all don't know where I get my connects after this, I mean, or where I get my stuff after this, then I cannot assist you further. But let's kind of get into this one. So this is actually someone I've bought multiple pairs of fire reds off before. 100% legit, ships fast, knows what he's doing, always is getting good deals. I think he's in a brick chat of sorts, which if you all don't know what a brick chat is, a brick chat is basically like a sneaker group chat that has like links for like Amazon or like different things that like allows you to like bulk buy sneakers, like different sneakers, sometimes not hyped ones, maybe like Jordan 1 mids though. Sometimes like they can have cookouts where they're buying multiple pairs, and you can see this dude actually just had a storage sale, so shout out Resell Al. I'm not going to like link these guys down below, but this dude is always, you know, throwing deals and having something posted, so that's pretty dope. And yeah, you know, I remember getting a couple pairs of these, and you can see the different releases that he's been getting bulk on for a while now, so it looks like he knows what he's doing, and I'm definitely going to be staying tuned further on this guy's page. I'm not following him on my Resell one, but you can see I follow him on my regular account because I trust this guy. Whenever we have another good release coming up, you know I'm going to be hitting this dude up for bulk releases, especially with anything to do with like sneaker investing. It's good to buy bulk off this guy. This is actually, he helped me make a lot of money off my fire reds, so thank you to him. I appreciate you and your deals. So yeah, kind of the first guy, actually someone I've done business with, and someone I actually don't mind shouting out at all. You know, I wouldn't mind giving this dude a free shout out any day, because I know this dude's legit, and he gives me good deals every once in a while when I need him, so probably gonna hit dude up soon. And he just did a storage sale, you know, he had some stuff, you know, posted up, and yeah, you can see this is just, again, like, he always is doing stuff in a day that's pretty good and impressive. So if he had a few pair of dunks, like, you know, you could go bulk buy, you know, some of the dunks there, but like, yo, how much are those? There's 5 dunks right there, you know what I mean? So yeah, this guy knows what he's doing, and I appreciate that. So first guy right there, just gonna give him a quick shout out. That's how you can bulk buy shoes. Key to bulk buying shoes, again, in the sneaker game is money. money and negotiating. That's really what it is. So if you have money, you know how to negotiate. You build a decent following on Instagram, which again, I've explained recently in a how to resell sneakers locally video. I've made plenty of videos on how to build a following on Instagram. It's very easy. All you gotta do is post consistently, follow people first. Obviously, you're gonna have to reach out to people first. If you're a new account, people aren't gonna follow you. You're gonna have to follow them. So maybe you'll have a bad follower ratio or whatever at first. That doesn't really matter though. If you think a follower ratio matters when getting you more sales in the sneaker game, you got it messed up. But more followers will get you more sales, not following more people. That is something that is true. I will say that. You have like 10,000 followers that, you know, you post consistently, you're decently active, yeah, you're gonna get more sales than somebody with 500 followers that also posts consistently, you know what I mean? So that's all I gotta say right there. So next guy, Bennett Kicks, guy I've never actually done business with, but I immediately saw him throwing a good deal in his story. Like, look, he was showing that he had some mid bands for $150 each, and he sold them all within an hour, and I'm super actually mad about this because I definitely wanted to hit this dude up after this video and go bulk buy some pairs of these mids. So yeah, huge shout out to this guy. guy, if you definitely do any bulk deals, be like, yo, I'm coming from Tristan. He shouted you out in a video recently, or just be like, yo, what sneaker releases you got? I'm trying to buy bulk. But he just says DM for any business inquiries, and it seems like this guy just posts like kind of on his story what he has. And this was an example of a good deal. So he's, again, as it says in his DM, or not his DM, but his bio, he's a bulk buyer and seller. So he sells it too. And you saw an example of a decent deal right there. And I actually think it's kind of funny how his name's Bennett, and then his username's Bennett Kicks, because Ben actually stands for Buy It Now. So it's like Buy It Now Kicks. I don't know. I think that's really creative. The username, at least, maybe he was trying to do that, but if that wasn't what he was trying to do, then hey, boy, well, your username is creative, and I like it. So aside from that, this is dope, and he knows what he's doing. Like, this is clear progress. Really dope stuff right here, and it seems like he's also doing like bulk stuff and all that, so you guys can check that out. But yeah, he knows what he's doing when it comes to getting just bulk releases. And this is another seller that I've used before that I do or I've never actually used this guy, but I definitely trust him. You don't just get 8,000 followers out of nowhere, and he has a whole other page dedicated to references, which seems like it's pretty good. Yeah, more than legit. Sold him to easy. Sold him $1,000 for accounts. Yeah, easy. Don't be afraid to give. So you can even send money gifted. So that's really dope. So shout out Bennett Kicks. I appreciate you being legit, because there's not a lot of people that are genuine like that. I mean, there is, but there's a lot of scammers too. So that's, I guess, my point justified right there. So another guy, I'm also gonna shout out this guy. I don't know if I've done business with this guy before. I think I have. I'm pretty sure I have actually, but I got him double check. But this guy, again, he's always kind of posting people that are bulk selling sneakers. So you could shout out Asian Kicks, this dude. Go check out this guy. This is another bulk seller. I'm just throwing out free shout outs in this video like candy. Free bulk sellers like candy. If y'all not screenshotting these usernames and following these users for bulk deals, then you're missing out. You're missing out. Like, look at this. I mean, this dude is just posting people like candy. XO Kicks. There's another good seller. Another person that you could bulk buy from out there. There you go. And who's another one? I'm sure he's gonna have another person up here. Let's see. Yeah, boom, another one. Hype California. There you go. Another bulk seller. So shout out NYC Resell for helping me out with this video unintentionally. With all the bulk sellers right here. But this dude is also dope. I see him throwing a good deal every once in a while in his story. He's maybe not as much of a bulk seller, but he's just someone that kind of has good deals every once in a while on a shoe release. So you guys can go check him out there if y'all want. Yeah, it looks like he got a lot of followers, and he tends to get bulk releases. So yeah, definitely a bulk seller. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, okay, so definitely go check out this guy. He knows how to get bulk releases. So yeah, it's not, I don't think it's anything hidden information. And he knows Marcus Jordan also, it seems like. So that's dope. I wish I knew Marcus Jordan so I could get that many pairs. But yeah, that's part one of the video. So let's move on to the next portion where my camera did cut off. Okay, so I don't know what just happened with my camera, but it like turned off and yeah, stopped working. But let's hop back into the video. Shout out NYC Resell though. That was the next person right there just on the list. Good bulk seller, seems legit. Maybe not with bulk selling, but good deals at least, and that's important. So you can always, again, with any of these Instagram resellers too, just go look at who they're following. Just start following people. Like, really, the key to resale game is connections. Build a following, start posting stuff consistently. Again, hopefully if you're watching this right now, you've already been reselling. Just go follow these people, hit them up, start doing business. That's the key to it. And the more pairs you buy, the better. Again, and all these guys are legit. Never had a problem with them. So let's move on to the next. All right, and the next seller I want to show you all, pop him up on the screen right now, back with the stream recording, working, is this guy right here, Cloud of the South. I actually met this guy at a sneaker event one time. Super cool. I think I actually bought something off him. I don't remember what it was. I think it was like a pair of like Nike, like what is it? Gatos. I think I bought a pair of Nike Gatos off him, but I might be wrong on that. But met this guy, super chill, definitely legit. And he's always getting a ton of shoe releases. Like, he's always posting stuff in his story. Some of them be the same releases. But yeah, I checked his story today, and it seems like he was posting a ton of stuff. Like, yeah, he's always getting deals in. Must have some good connects there. And yeah, so you can be sure to check that. And he actually has sometimes multiple sizes, a couple good ones. Like, actually, I regret selling my pair of these. I wish I didn't sell them, but yeah, he's always posting some stuff. So just another good Instagram reseller I trust. Maybe not always getting bulk pairs in, but this guy is definitely another good deal. Not another good deal, but another place where you can get good deals. So just let him know maybe I sent you. If you go check this guy out, and he's another good seller again that I trust. These are just two, like, I guess kind of more regular sellers, maybe not as much bulk sellers, but guys with consistently good deals. But if we're trying to just kind of move into bulk selling immediately, I'll go talk about this guy right here. I've actually never done business with this guy, but if you go check out his Instagram, I mean, it's pretty easy to tell Resell that you know, he has his connects, or you know, is able to get bulk pairs in, because there's multiple of the different pairs. You know, some UNCs, Mochas, Dunks, Supreme Dunks. So you know, this is another bulk seller right here. I trust this guy, and yeah, you know, I don't see any problems really. So you know, this is another just a bulk seller, pretty much same deal as I mentioned with these guys. You know, just hit them up, you know, ask what they got, you know, check their story. And yeah, you know, this guy, yeah, he's like, he has a story sale going on right now. Yeah, he's selling some, I guess he had a little deal going on for some Uni Blues for $199, or some like little type giveaway thing going on. But yeah, just another seller right here. And yeah, you know, there's like, here's even a few more here. Here's perfect. Ready? I'm gonna let you all just screenshot this. Here's more people with bulk selling shoes right here. So you can go check out these guys, Coffee Kicks, XO Kicks. I'm just getting free shoutouts all over in this video. But yeah, some more sellers right there, another one. And I guess that's just more of how you guys can get shoes for retail, or not retail, but resale right there. If you're just trying to pay resale prices, maybe sell them later, figure out how you can buy shoes bulk, get better deals. And these are some of the people you can hit up that know how to do that. So yeah, you know, that's really all I gotta say right there. I don't think I need to talk too much about the specific bulk sellers, but if you're trying to get releases for retail, I'm about to put you on about how you guys can get releases for retail. So really the key to most getting releases for retail is a cook group, and a good cook group. And one that I recommend is my guys at Secret Sauce right here. I've been in this group for a while, and they've helped me get a lot of different releases for retail, and I'm sure they could definitely help some people in the group chat get bulk releases for sure. Different, you know, if you have different cards and stuff like that, then perfect. I'm sure there's people that you can run with in the chat. And if you guys already know what slots are, if you're in if you've been in a different cook group before, or if you listened into my past videos, slots are basically where someone, you know, has your information, like, you know, you give them like your payment and shipping info, and then they put it into the bots and then cop releases for you. And I do this all the time with this group chat, again, since these guys do that, and they are a $60 monthly fee, but it's 100% worth it, like how they can copy releases for retail. Again, I've mentioned this plenty of times, plenty of videos. These guys have got me, you know, a lot of different of those releases. Like they got me the Dunk Low Coast, got me a pair of those. They've always given me multiple pairs of Yeezys. They recently got me one pair of the Foam Runners, but I remember they got me 2 pairs of Carbons. And you know, also with this release coming up, the Turbos, hopefully they'll be able to cop me a pair of those. I'm very excited for that release, and hopefully we'll have some success there. That one is going to be hectic, or not the Turbos, but the Hyper Royals. So I've kind of explained the slot process, how it would work. You know, they have trusted people in that chat. There's a section of the Discord called Tickets. It takes you to this you know, site, and on the site it shows you all the tickets that they have going on right now, all the different slots for different releases, and it's all trusted people running them, so you can enter in whatever ones you want, paid ones or free ones. And yeah, that's really how they would actually copy releases for retail. And again, it's not even just shoes in this chat. These guys can show you how to do stocks. They can show you how to, you know, sell NFTs, buy NFTs. Like it's everything. Like everything is going on in this chat. And if you're just trying to make money, then this chat's really for that. But if you're trying to get releases for you for retail, then you could probably actually like open like a help ticket, and then, you know, ask some of like the people in there and be like, yo, I'm trying to cop multiple pairs. How can I do that? And really the key to buying multiple pairs in the sneaker game is botting. You notice most of these people that I was shouting out, you know, on my story and showing you all right here, these guys are probably botting sneakers, probably know, you know, how to bot sneakers, or they're in brick group chats. If you guys don't know what a brick chat is, literally just go on Instagram, type in your search brick chat, and it'll probably pop up, and they're basically people that have these early links, or not early links, but specific links on sites that have maybe price errors on like Amazon or on a Nike site, how to get discount codes, and they show you all how you can basically bulk buy, you know, different sneakers that usually wouldn't resell, and they show you how to actually get them, like how you can get, you know, Jordan 1 mid bands for retail, like off different foot sites, and how you can get them discount, and they can show you how to do it with the Signal Blues or Turf Oranges or other, you know, hype mids, or, you know, just regular shoes that you wouldn't even think are hyped, pairs of Air Forces. Like, it's crazy. I've seen it all in brick chats. So that's another way that you can make a ton of money too. And that's how I usually see people bulk buy sneakers, is in these brick chats, because then the brick chats usually actually then turn into doing, you know, retail sneakers, and actually then end up, you know, just cooking and getting a bunch of the shoes for retail. So that's usually how I see people do it. Key is a cook group, and a good one, I recommend these guys, or a brick chat. And I recommend a brick chat too, just if you're trying to, you know, maybe not cop just hype releases, just get a bunch of bulk regular sneakers and resell them. Another key to bulk buying sneakers, local sneaker events. Always check your local area. You see what, you know, see what's going on. Maybe even if your town isn't popping, just look up local sneaker events near me. There's plenty going on in Charlotte all the time. There's plenty going on. I'll name a few cities that always have sneaker events going on. Atlanta, Fort Lauderdale, New York City, always having sneaker events going on. Those 3 places. Another places always have sneaker events going on is LA. LA always has them. I'm trying to think of one more place. Houston is always having a sneaker event going on. And yeah, there's really a few places I can name right there. But just always look up local sneaker events near you, because again, having cash and, you know, doing deals in person, negotiating in person, you know, making that deal there, it's way easier to do that. And there's always people throwing deals at sneaker events too. So I'm sure if you buy more pairs from people, and it, you know, bulk buying sneakers, it's not just buying the same shoe. It's not like bulk buying 5 pairs of the same shoe. It might be bulk buying 5 different pairs of Yeezys, or 2 Jordans, 3 Yeezys, you know, and you're just trying to buy them all off the seller for a good deal. And they may not be brand new pairs, they just might be used pairs you're trying to resell. And I understand that. So it's way easier to, you know, have that cash, negotiate in person, and be able to make the deal then. But negotiating, really, it's to each its own. I can't tell you all how to negotiate on sneakers. Either you do or don't know how to do it. You know, actually, anybody can learn it too. It's not like something that's like, you can't do it. Like, anybody can negotiate. Just, you know, all it takes is just like, you want a price and you go get it. And that's all it is. So another thing I'll mention too, aside from that, I want to mention Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. Obviously in OfferUp you can, you know, get shoes. Like, look, let's say I wanted to look up some Jordans near me. There's plenty of people selling Jordans, and there's plenty of deals going on. Some aren't even bad. Like 165 for some Signals, not too terrible, but you know, there's a few people even selling some shoes early. Like, this is early right here. Some people even say, like, you know, they shipping stuff. But OfferUp doesn't have as many bulk deals, but you will find some good deals on shoes right here. But on Facebook Marketplace, I found people, you know, doing story sales. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if they got an Instagram or something, but yeah, there's some people selling, like, you know, some shoes. Like, you could have probably done a bulk deal here for all these if I'd hit the guy up earlier. Like, there's plenty of people selling shoes for good deals here, as you can see. Like, here's another one right here. Look, like all this, he's got 20 plus pairs right here. He's trying to sell a whole lot, and look, like, these are just another pair you could do like bulk deals on. Obviously, I would keep the feelers out of that. You can keep those. But yeah, that's just another one right there. And that's really my 2 more places, Facebook Marketplace and also OfferUp. Again, my number 1 recommendations with any of these places, be careful when you're meeting up. Bring someone with you. Do not go solo to a meetup, especially a meetup that involves a lot of cash. If you're bringing like a few grand in cash, do not go by yourself. You know what I mean? Like, be reasonable here. If you're bringing a few $1,000s, don't lose it. All right? Like, you know what I mean? Don't be dumb. Don't get in the wrong situation. Make sure the person you're meeting with is legit. Firstly, if it already seems sus from the start, just if it also seems too good to be true, then don't do it. I mean, I'm just trying to keep y'all safe right there. So number 1 recommendation. 2, my final thing, legit check. Always legit check your pairs. Your boy was stupid. Me, yes, right here, the dude that's always legit checking his kicks, was caught lacking recently by being dumb. So always legit check your shoes. Don't, you know, be like naive. And I was naive. But yeah, aside from that, that's enough said. I'm gonna end the screen recorded. I'm just kind of rambling on now, and that's how I bulk buy my sneakers. So this was a long video, I think, but hopefully to the point, and now you guys know some connects and where you can sell, buy, do all of that. Boom. So it's all the outro. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm just gonna make the outro kind of quick right here, since I know this video's already been pretty long. But again, if you all want more videos like this, I pretty much gave you all my connects, all the info. So if y'all are still confused after this as to where to buy bulk sneakers, I cannot assist you further, my boy. But again, subscribe and like down below. Goal 250 likes, so I'd appreciate that. If we could hit it, that'd be dope. If not, it's not the end of the world. But again, dropping a like helps your boy, you know, get the video out there more, and also, you know, just lets me know that this is the stuff that I should stick with more on the channel. And I know y'all like the resale videos, so stay tuned for this summer. Your boy's gonna be doing vlogs, he's gonna be doing meetup videos, all that. I just haven't been able to do it since I'm in college right now, but your boy's about to be home in less than 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that video. We have a crazy video coming up when I get home. We're gonna sell like $10,000 worth of shoes or something, but I'll do something like that just to show you all a cool video. But that's all I gotta say. Check my IGs or Discord down below if you want to peep them, and those will be in the description. So hopefully I'll catch you all on the next one. And I'm Tristan, and I'll catch y'all then. Peace.